So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to check for submission on your learning space right on CloudNotte. When you have created your exam questions and student has attempted the question, what you need to do is to check for submission. First of all, we need to click on computer-based test menu, and right on our computer-based test menu, we click on the exam group in which we created the exam. I'm going to select the class, click on proceed. Right here we have the subject that we created the exams on. And how do we check for submission? Right on this bar we have subject, we have submissions, and we have summary. So I'll be clicking on submissions. Then I'm going to be selecting the exam. And right here we have one student has submitted this exam. So this is how we check for submission on our learning space. So with this now, I can either view what the student has done. With this now, I can actually check the question that the student got correctly and those that they fail. I can also analyze to know where to help this child, where the child is having difficulties in. And once I'm done, also I can also delete this submission if I want, and I can also reset it if I want. Now I can also clear the scores. How do I clear the scores? I have to click on this icon and I can clear the score and give the student another opportunity to write this exam. So this is how we check for submission on our learning space right on CloudNotte. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel to stay updated for our latest video.